Hey everybody, Larry Rowe here with Tuff Rubber Products. I made a little board here to simulate the top of an RV. I'm going to cut a little jagged line down it and show you how easy it is to make a repair. As you can see, it's cut wide open there. Simply take your Tuff Rubber, brush it on, go a couple inches on either side of the hoe. Take your piece of tough mesh here, cut it to size. We're not going to be exact for the video. Embed your tough mesh right in where that tear was. I usually just use another brush and embed it in there. Right there, you'll find this is waterproof. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see that or not, how that water's kind of beaded up on there. It's not going to let anything through your camper. It's going to stay dry. Let that set for 24 hours. Come back tomorrow, put a coat over it, repairs made. Get tough, stay dry.